Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where curiosity meets the coolest inventions on the planet. Today, I've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're exploring 7 must-have tech gadgets that make your daily life smarter, cooler, and just plain fun. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Divoom Times Frame. This smart HD frame redefines what a digital display can be. It's not just a photo frame, it's an immersive multimedia hub. You can wirelessly upload your favorite photos or short videos and watch them appear instantly on the 10.1-inch floating glass display. The vivid 60 FPS visuals and built-in stereo speakers turn your desk or room into a mini tech gallery. It also displays dynamic clock faces, weather updates, and even crypto or stock data, all subscription-free for life. A perfect mix of creativity and utility for your workspace. Number 6. Joyroom Bluetooth Speaker. This one's for the adventurers, workers, and multitaskers. The Joyroom wearable Bluetooth speaker clips, sticks, or stands anywhere you want, on your shirt, backpack, or even metal surfaces with its magnetic back. Despite its tiny 3 ounces size, it delivers powerful crystal-clear sound with 3 EQ modes for bass, clarity, or balance. Need light? It's got a built-in 3-mode LED with SOS function for emergencies. With ENC noise-canceling mic and IP67 waterproof durability, this rugged little device is ready for anything from hiking to job sites. Number 5. R&D TC100 Tester. Precision meets professionalism here. The TC100 thickness meter helps you measure coating or paint thickness on metals like steel, aluminum, and copper. Whether it's for automotive paint checks, manufacturing, or inspection, this tool ensures accuracy with its integrated probe using electromagnetic and eddy current principles. It's a must-have for car enthusiasts, engineers, and anyone working with coated materials. Number 4. Baseus Wiper Cutter. Say goodbye to streaky windshields. The Baseus Car Wiper Cutter restores your wiper blades to like-new condition in seconds. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's compact, lightweight, and compatible with most car models. Instead of replacing your wipers every few months, this little tool gives them new life, saving money and keeping your windshield crystal clear during rain. Number 3. Car Ambient Light. Turn your car into a futuristic light show. This LED rear window screen connects via Bluetooth and lets you display animations, expressions, or custom pixel art on your rear window. Powered by 12 volts, it's universal for most vehicles and adds a bold, expressive touch to your ride. Perfect for car meets, night drives, or just standing out on the road. Number 2. Joyroom Tablet Holder. Long trips just got way better. The Joyroom Car Headrest Tablet Holder comes with an upgraded extension arm for perfect viewing angles. It rotates 360 degrees, tilts 75 degrees, and fits devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, including iPads, Galaxy Tabs, Kindles, and more. The aluminum rod and ABS clamp ensure stability, while soft rubber grips protect your device. Easy to install and perfect for passengers, kids, or professionals who work on the go. Number 1. Dual-use wrench. The multifunctional ratchet extension wrench is a mechanic's dream. Made from durable chromium vanadium steel, it features a dual-use design with a secure, non-slip grip and detachable heads for various tasks. Whether you're working in your garage, on a car, or fixing home tools, this wrench gives you the strength and flexibility to handle it all efficiently. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.